Welcome back to Eden TV. After a little sabbatical, we're back, and it's the beginning of autumn. So I'm getting all excited about getting our kitchen garden all sorted out for winter, for autumn and winter. And it's still a bit hot. It's quite hot today. So I'm not going to be rushing to plant some of the things, things like spinach and stuff that will bolt. So I'm going to sort of slowly work up over the next few videos, planting through. But today, I'm actually going to plant up here around this stump of sad stump of a thing is actually what is going to be the most magnificent artichoke. So this is kind of what you do with artichokes. You kind of cut them off. I've removed some of the. You get a whole bunch of offsets, which I've removed and I'll plant elsewhere in the garden. But I'm going to let this one go. Okay. But up in this spot actually gets full western sun, and so it suffers a bit in the summer. So I thought I would establish some fantastic things that will actually sail through next summer. So think about this for your garden. This is something that will give you 365 days of garlicky goodness. Eat the flowers as well. So we use this in the kitchen. So I'm going to put these up here, and these will look absolutely marvellous throughout the year. And in fact, in a spot like this, which is nice and sunny, squeeze, cut the bum. There we go. In a spot like this, these will probably be in flower pretty much all year. Okay, let's just get that in there. I've just sort of worked this soil over turned the soil, got some nutrients in there, bit of blood and bone, bit of 5-in-1, the soil's 5-in-1. Okay. This will probably get flopped over a bit by the at full growth of this, but then when that recedes, after we've cropped it, then this will re-emerge as dominant features. Let's get another one. But if you haven't grown this stuff, I mean it's actually fantastic as something to go around down the side of the path. It grows. It really does grow anywhere, and in sun, in a sunny spot, it will, as I say, it will flower most of the year. So so there's no sort of garlic bulbs to eat, but there's a really nice hot garlicky taste to the leaves. And the flowers are also delightfully garlicky. So there you go. And I will mulch around this a bit later. Okay, so we're still early in the season, so I like to get some seeds in though. Now, a particular favourite of our chef Matteo are the nasturtiums. We grow lots of different types of nasturtiums, but he particularly likes the Empress of India, which is a very vibrant orange with a really nice dark green leaf. So let's just get a few of these in. And look, the strange wrinkly things, but the beauty that emanates from them is incredible. So I'm doing it sort of relatively close to the edge because I like the style of things sort of lipping over, softening all these wooden edges. And there we go. And I will deploy the rest of these shortly. Oops. And accidentally as well, which is quite nice. Something spontaneous about that. Okay. Now, another thing which I find, this is perfect for 10-year-olds of all ages, including myself. And this is seed tape, carrot seed tape, which is a really, for the beginner, it's not much more than a couple of pieces of paper towel with some seeds in between, but they're sort of spaced in a way that just makes it very easy for you to be successful, because if you've ever dealt with carrot seeds, you'll know that they are incredibly small. Oops. Incredibly small and fiddly, whereas this makes life very, very easy. Okay, so we're just gonna, there we go. Gosh, just, there we go. And we'll just literally just plant it here. Oh, I just did a little bit too much. There we go. And just add water. And this is a fairly nice free mix underneath here, so the roots should be able to get down. And then I'll just do another one beside it. There we go. Got the bit that was left over. And and basically, if you can unwind a bit of paper and pour some water on top, having prepared the soil before, you are officially a vegetable gardener. And we'll be watching these emerge over the next few weeks. There we go, done.